Hello everyone. In this video, I will introduce you to the feature SmartLinkEx for Smartsheet with Gia Thinh Automation Service. The SmartLinkEx tool provides the following benefits: automatically updating data from a source Excel, CSV, or Google Sheet to destination sheets, options to overwrite existing data on destination sheets and add new rows to destination sheets. In the following demo, I will clarify these functions of SmartLinkEx. The scenario is that we will have a customer list sheet containing columns for customer ID, company name, customer name, phone number, email, address, status, and registration date. We want to update data from an Excel file also named customer list with corresponding information columns, in which the customer ID column is the primary reference column that SmartLinkEx uses for data updates. This Excel file is attached to the customer list sheet so that whenever we update the latest version of the Excel file, the information will also be updated in the customer list sheet. Let's do an example. In the Excel file, I will add two rows, 11 and 12. We will save it. Here we will update to the latest version of the Excel file. We expect that rows 11 and 12 will appear in the customer list sheet. As you can see, rows 11 and 12 have been added to the customer list sheet. Let's move to another example. I will change a cell. And I will delete here. We will save it. Here we'll update to the latest version. We expect that the changes in the Excel file will also be updated into the customer list sheet. As you can see, the changes in the Excel file have been updated here. In the above demo, I used Gia Thinh Automation Service. We provide the SmartLinkEx service on the Gia Thinh Automation Service platform. In this screen, I have pre-configured a task named SmartLinkEx with customer list. Let's go into details of this task. As you can see in the source section, I use the customer list sheet as the source sheet, and the attached Excel file is also named customer list, with redefined information columns for reference. In the target section, meaning the target section, I also use the customer list sheet as the target with corresponding information columns. The columns in the source and target sections have a 1-1 mapping relationship, and the customer ID column is the primary reference column for SmartLinkEx to use for data updates. In the target section, we can use one or more sheets as target sheets so that whenever the source sheet has changes, the information in the target sheets will also change accordingly. Let's go to the options section above. In the source tab section, we have options like sheet attachment including Excel files, CSV files, or Google Sheet files. For overwrite existing data, meaning overriding existing data, we have options of yes or no. Add new rows, meaning adding new rows, also has yes or no options. Apply source column filter, meaning the function to filter which data rows from the source will be updated into the target sheet. On duplicate source rows, For duplicate source data, we have options like Pick First Match, meaning selecting the first matching result. Pick Last Match means selecting the last matching result. Skip Duplicate Rows means skipping any duplicate rows. Finally, Run Task After Saved, meaning this task will run after it has been saved. Thank you for watching the presentation. If you have any questions or need consultation, please contact us using the information below. We provide Smartsheet products, and with Smart, we create solutions to digitize and automate processes within your organization.